Welcome viewers. This is your travel partner Dipti and I am once again back with a beautiful episode of Step Out. Nowadays after lockdown, whenever we discuss with our friend, there is a one common desire among all to visit a salon. Oh, my hairs are so long. I am not getting a perfect vaccine at my home. Everybody want to step out and look beautiful and want to feel great. But there is a common panic among all. Is salon safe? Is salons taking all the norms as per WHO to give us a safe and secure experience? So today I am at one of the most popular hair salon chain in Bangalore, that's HairSpeak. So let's check out today what all HairSpeak is giving us to have a safe and secure experience, how their styling session is going on, how they can give us a safe threading, how they can give us a safe waxing and pedicure. So come with us today in this beautiful journey of HairSpeak. Yes friends, so now I am inside HairSpeak Koramangala Center and wow, I am feeling pretty much safe over here. So as we have seen that they are following all the norms of entry as per government processes. They have done thermal screening, they are also sanitizing the hands, baggage and as well as body of the customer to make sure whoever enter inside the salon is pretty much safe. And they also provide you a pair of disposable shoe cover, so make sure you have a safe walking inside, and while going out you can just throw it away. And once I am there on the reception, as we have seen, they have first sanitized the entire sofa and then I have a safe sitting inside and I can enjoy my waiting time. So friends, as you can see with me, he is Mr. Naresh, my stylist, and he is equipped with all the safety gears to give me a safe and secure service. So as we can see, he has a face mask, a face shield, a shower cap, gloves and a disposable apron which he'll discard after finishing his service with a particular customer. During this lockdown time, we ladies have become a lot more innovative when it comes to our threading session. We have used hair removing creams on our eyebrows. We have even used funny gadgets to remove our eyebrow hairs because we were worried about the process of a traditional process of threading in which beautician hold the thread in her mouth. But now we have a wonderful solution over here where my beautician will not hold the thread in her mouth, whereas she will hold the thread on this gadget which is hanging through her neck. So we can rest assured that there is no holding of a thread in the mouth of the beautician and we can sit back and have a relaxed threading. Right now we are at waxing and facial zone, and as you have observed, they use a single usage cartridge for waxing and they also use single usage facial kit. So one kit is only for one customer. So as you can see this line over here, This is to make sure that there is a minimum distance between the staff handling the reception and the customer doing the payment. So customers have to stand behind this line, whereas the staff is standing behind this counter, and they make sure the social distancing inside the salon, with giving appointments only to 3 customers in an hour, to make sure that at any present time there are only 3 customers taking the services inside the salon. This was our journey today at HairSpeak Koramangala Center. So we have given you an insight about all the safety measures management is taking to ensure to give you a safe experience inside the salon. We have seen the safety measures and the norms they are following while you are entering inside the salon, and then inside salon also they are ensuring the social distancing between the customer and between the staff. All staff are completely equipped with proper safety gears. Even their facial and waxing area is also pretty much secure and safe for the customers. All the equipments are properly sanitized. They have a process of surface sanitization every hour to make sure whenever you touch any of their property, you are safe. So once you decide to come and have a safe salon experience in HairSpeak, you have to make sure that if your kids are below 6 years, they don't permit the kids to enter inside the salon below 6 years. On the rating meter of Step Out, we give 4 out of 5 to HairSpeak. So it's completely safe to come here and have a wonderful and happy experience. So if you like this episode, please don't forget to hit the like button, and please do subscribe our channel.